welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox my Boxycharm for the month of August 2021. I don't remember what I chose for this month. It feels like it was a long time ago. So stay tuned. As you can see my first impressions and I show you what I got. So I don't know what I have in here. Let's open it. Okay. So the first thing that I see here is this palette. I mean, I don't know if it's a palette, but yeah, it's a palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. And the card telling me what I got, the description of the products, how much is each product. So let's see. Boxycharm Go All Out. Okay, it's very cute. And say the day, September 13, I guess, is the October Boxy choice. Okay, so save the date, September 13th. And let's see. So it comes in this little bag. And this is a very pretty packaging. Let's see. Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. Yeah, you can hear Ellie. Yes. Okay, these are very pretty colors. Fall colors. Let's do some swatches. Okay, they feel very nice. This golden one, it's so pretty. You can see that. Let's do some dark colors. I did the same finger, sorry. Okay. Okay, they're very nice. Okay. This Laura Geller eyeshadow palette is gonna retail for $45. And this Boxycharm is $25, so. Okay, under this thing, we'll see everything else we got. Okay, let's do this. So, I have these eyelashes. It's a flare lash set. Okay, looks very pretty. These are $54. Okay, let's open them up. I don't wear fake lashes because my eyelashes are long enough already. But I'm curious to try them now. So that's what I choose. This. I remember this is what I choose. And this okay, this is very pretty. So it has the glue, the lashes, and the tool to put them on, I suppose. It's very pretty. Okay, I'm excited about this and try it. Then we have natural 97%. Okay, advanced serum plus vitamin E. Okay, this is what it looks like, the packaging. Let's open it. Oh, okay, this is nice. It looks like a medicine bottle. Okay, it looks thick. I don't think it has any smell. Okay, we'll try them. Then we got this Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner from this brand. I have used these brand products before and I like them. I think I got them, the little samples that I got on Ipsy, and I was happy. This is the first time that I get like a full size product, and now I'm very excited to try it. What is it? Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is a hydrating toner and it retails for $22. Let's see what's next. Last but not least, we have these Black Stream Lash Mascara. Okay, I don't recall hearing Rockins. I don't recall this brand, hearing from this brand before. I'm definitely gonna use it because I love mascaras. Mascaras are always handy. I am not mad when I get them. But you know that you shouldn't open new mascaras or any product at all if you're not gonna use them right away. So I'm not gonna use it because I have a couple of mascaras rolling around that I need to go through before I open another package. Well, so let's see. I'm gonna put the products and the prices on this side, and I'll let you know how much it adds up. But so far I think it was like a really good Boxy. I am very happy about the lashes and the palettes. I'm always happy when I get eyeshadow palette. And then I got a new mascara, serum, and toner. I think it was a pretty good box this month. I'm not mad about it. I like it. What do you get? Tell me, let me know what do you get in the comments below. Did you like what you get? Were you expecting something different? Did you like your Boxy or not? Any complaints, any suggestions? Let me know below. Yeah, I'm very happy and I'm gonna use the products. And don't forget to subscribe. There's right there. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. I'm very happy to have you here. And I'll be posting more videos soon. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.